Welcome to our Programming Languages Showdown. Today, we are exploring the fundamental difference between compiled and interpreted languages. This is often called the Great Performance Battle, as these two execution models handle code very differently, impacting both speed and development. Let's understand exactly how your code actually runs on a computer. First, we need to understand a basic fact. Computers do not understand English, and they do not understand the code you write in languages like Python or C++. They only understand machine code, which looks like ones and zeros. So, every time you write a program, there must be a translation step that converts your human-readable source code into machine-readable binary instructions. There are two main ways this translation happens. Think of a compiler as a book translator. It translates the entire book at once, creating a new version in the target language before anyone reads it. An interpreter, on the other hand, is like a simultaneous translator at the United Nations. They translate what is being said line by line, in real time, as the speech is happening. Let's look at the compiled approach first. In this model, you write your source code, and then you run a special program called a compiler. This compiler goes through your code and translates everything into a standalone binary file, like an exe on Windows. Once you have that file, you can run it directly on your hardware. It is fast and efficient because the translation work is already finished. Now for interpreted languages. Here, there is no separate translation step beforehand. You give your source code directly to an interpreter. The interpreter reads line 1, translates it, and executes it. Then it reads line 2, translates it, and executes it. It does this cycle over and over again. This means the computer has to do translation work every single time you run the program. So, who wins the race? Compiled languages like C++ or Rust almost always win in raw execution speed. They are the race cars. Because they were translated ahead of time, they just go. Interpreted languages like Python or JavaScript are generally slower because they are essentially building the road while they are driving on it, performing translation and execution simultaneously. But speed is not just about raw execution. There is also development speed. With compiled languages, every small change you make requires you to wait for the code to recompile, which can be slow for large projects. With interpreted languages, you can change a line of code and run it instantly. This instant feedback loop is fantastic for learning, prototyping, and testing ideas quickly. Is there a middle ground? Yes. It is called just-in-time or JIT compilation. Languages like Java, C#, and modern JavaScript use this. They start running quickly like an interpreter, but while the program is running, they identify the parts of code you use the most and compile them into machine code in the background. It attempts to give you the best of both worlds. Here are the heavy hitters in each category. In the compiled corner, we have C, C++, Rust, and Go. These are used for things like game engines and operating systems where performance is non-negotiable. In the interpreted corner, we have Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and PHP. These power the web and data science, where flexibility and ease of use are often more important than raw speed. To wrap up, the choice depends on your needs. If you are building a high-performance video game or a system tool, a compiled language gives you the speed and control you need. If you are building a web script, analyzing data, or just learning to code, an interpreted language offers the flexibility and ease of use to help you move faster. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.